Hello and welcome to the Pharmacy Times News Network. I'm Mike Lakar and your host for our Pharmacy Week in Review. Pharmacy Times was on double conference duty this week covering Pharmacy Development Services' annual conference in Orlando and the Pharmacy Home Project's annual meeting in North Carolina. The PDS conference featured a keynote presentation from billionaire entrepreneur Kevin O'Leary, who's best known as Mr. Wonderful on ABC's Shark Tank, while the Pharmacy Home meeting featured sessions on clinical pearl topics such as community pharmacy network building and improving access to naloxone. Watch for our complete conference coverage on pharmacytimes.com. California's first drug donation pharmacy has opened its doors in San Jose. Better Health Pharmacy is dedicated to collecting unused, unopened, and unexpired medications from state-regulated facilities and then dispensing those donated products to patients at no cost and without copays. Drug donation pharmacies like Better Health are a practical response to the increasing need for free or low-cost medications, as nearly 23% of U.S. adults report missing or skipping prescriptions altogether due to cost. Moving to product news, the FDA has approved Briviact for partial onset seizures in patients 16 and older with epilepsy. The director of the Mid-Atlantic Epilepsy and Sleep Center said this approval is significant because approximately 30% of epilepsy patients remain uncontrolled on current available treatments. Drug maker UCB plans to launch Briviact as a film-coated tablet, oral solution, and injection within the next 90 days. New data show improvement in the number of Medicare Part D beneficiaries with access to preferred cost-sharing pharmacies. According to the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, the bottom 10th percentile of Part D plans currently provide preferred pharmacy access to 71% of urban beneficiaries, compared to just 40% in 2014. This data may support renewed efforts for pending federal legislation that would allow seniors in medically underserved areas to access lower copays at any pharmacy willing to accept the Part D plan's preferred pharmacy terms and conditions. Pharmacists may be asked more questions about Cosentyx now that Novartis is pushing out more direct-to-consumer advertising spots for the psoriasis drug. Cosentyx was originally approved for plaque psoriasis, but it recently received expanded indications for active psoriatic arthritis and active ankylosing spondylitis. For more great coverage and practical information for today's pharmacist, visit our website and sign up for our daily e-news. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks for watching our Pharmacy Week in Review. I'm Mike Lakar at the Pharmacy Times News Network.